So we're just about to start an eyebrow transplant. Now in the eyebrow, the donor area is very important. The best is at the nape of the neck. This hair is very fine, thin, and the caliber of the hair resembles just like the front eyebrow. Okay, so we have completed the procedure. This is an eyebrow transplant. We have put the graft over here. This is the head of the eyebrow. Then in the middle, we planted the lower part this way, then the upper part this way to follow back again to fill up. Here we increase the density a bit, which follow the normal eyebrow.